How to turn off weather on Amazon Alexa app. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you turn off weather on Amazon Alexa app. So it's a very simple steps, follow this instruction as guided. First thing, log in or open up the Amazon Alexa app on your device. After which, click on the devices at the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Next, you want to go ahead and click on Echo and Alexa. As soon as you do it so, you'll be taken to next field, which will look something like this. Here, you want to click the gear icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Once you do it so, once again, it's going to take you to next field. Here, you'll be able to find a lot of options. So you want to go ahead and press on device location. As you go to device location, here you'll have the address already, but now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and manually remove all of the information or all of the locations or information that you've typed in. Now go ahead and remove it one after the another and then click the save button. Once you've done it so, you've successfully turned off weather on Amazon Alexa app. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.